Hello guys, today we are going to see installation of Cloudera and performing Oozie task in Cloudera system. So first of all, we need to download the virtual box from given this link. I am gonna put all these links in the description below. You can find them, and I am gonna also keep the link of this document where I have documented all the steps you need to perform this job in the description below. So first of all, we need to download this virtual box. So you can download the virtual box Windows host, start download. Once it completed, you need to install it. Installation part is just easy. Next install. I have already installed the virtual box, so I'm not going to install it again. So next thing, you need to download this zip file of Cloudera Quickstart VM. So go to this link. This link will actually automatically give you to download the file. So you click start download and it will start to download. So I have already downloaded this one here. So you will get such file, such zip file, and you just need to extract it here. So I have extracted it. It looks something like this. So here and here you are going to get two files. This virtual machine disk format, this one we are going to need. We don't use this one right now. So next thing you are going to do, open your virtual box. In virtual box, go to file and import appliance. So when you click import appliance, here you will get to select the path. So in my downloads, compressed Cloudera Quickstart VM. So here it is, our virtual box file. So we are going to just open it, and once it has opened, we are going to click next. So actually Cloudera VM says you need to have at least 8 GB of RAM allocated to this, and CPU also you need to have at least 4 cores. So I'm gonna change it to my 8 GB, and I'm gonna allocate 4 cores to it, so it will run smoother. So everything just keep as it is, no need to do anything in here. You can change the name. What you will see, I'm just gonna put Cloudera here and just hit import. It will start importing all the files it requires. So I'm gonna skip this part. So now, as you can see, we have successfully installed our Cloudera system. So just few settings, go to settings, advanced, these two, make it bi-directional. This will help you to copy paste from Windows to Cloudera and drag and drop some files if you want. It is important settings that we usually use. So now just start our Cloudera system. Here it is booting. Let it boot. It is booting for first time, so it might take a while. So just wait and watch. Next steps are all in this documented file. I'm gonna keep the link in the description below. You can check it out. Everything here, no need to worry. It has done the loading part. Okay, it is booting now. As you can see, we are now inside our Cloudera system. We can just increase the size so we can see better, take a better view of it. So this is the general home page. We get into our Mozilla Firefox. Right now we are on. So okay, nothing, just here is a Cloudera manager. So it is attempting to connect, but one thing where you have to do while you are just connecting first time. So we have installed it for first time, so you have to go through here, launch Cloudera Express. So you double click here and you press enter. Start again. Okay, so you have to use this command. Copy this command, enter to exit, go to terminal, paste this command and hit enter. Okay, so it is saying we have to keep this one express. So give one space, paste express and hit enter. So there are two types here, you can see one is enterprise and one is express. So it is giving us two options, express or enterprise. Express is free, enterprise is paid version which we can use on trial basis, but for now for this purpose I'm using this express one which is for free, no cost. So you have to put one space and then express, and now it will do some things, do some settings and configurations based on this express version of Cloudera, and then we will start. So let's just wait and let this happen. It takes some time, takes a while, so you have to be patient. Yeah, so what it does actually, it configures everything, every whole thing, and give us access to the Cloudera manager on which we can it is a web UI for every single Hadoop ecosystem frameworks. We can manage Oozie, Zookeeper, Yarn, Hadoop, everything, HDFS, everything based on Hadoop we can manage in the Cloudera manager web UI. So some more waiting. If we haven't done this step, then our Cloudera manager will not start, and if our Cloudera manager will not start, then we can't perform any task in here. Cloudera manager is must go on. Okay, as you can see, success. You can now log in into Cloudera Manager from Quickstart VM browser. This is its URL. We can get it and use username and password as Cloudera. So I'm just gonna copy this one and close this one. Go to the web browser, Cloudera Manager. Here you can see now it has loaded. I agree. Paste it here. I can paste this here. Remember, login. Remember. Now, as you can see, this is a web UI for Cloudera Manager. These many services you can access here. So all these services are now in stopped condition. So we are gonna start all the condition, all the services here. So by pressing start, it will start every service one by one. So some more waiting again. You can also keep it in full screen. Three more to go. Two more to go. Okay, last one. Done. Our all services have been started. As you can see, everyone is started. So now we will perform our Oozie job. So as you can see, we are done with this step, installation of Cloudera. Now the second step, find the Oozie examples that came with the system. So your Cloudera system comes with the Oozie installed, and Oozie comes with its own examples to run. So just minimize this one, and you can go to computer, or just go from here, application system tools, go to file browser and go to file system, and here you can find for the examples that came by. So I will give its name Oozie examples tar.gz. So I'll just copy and paste it here and find. So as you can see, they are here. They are at the path use usr/share/doc/Oozie. They are in here. So we want to unzip them to the desktop. So we will use this command. I kept this command. This command will directly unzip them. So we will use terminal, paste this command, we will hit enter. So as you can see, there is one folder created called examples, and now we don't need this one. In examples, you can see in apps, these are few examples that came with Oozie. So we are just gonna play with Java in this example, and then now we are done with this unzip process. Now we want to make some changes in our job.properties. So open job.properties at the name node. So if, as you can see in the home page in HDFS, configuration, and if you type here name node, it should come by yes. If you type port here, so name node port is 8020, right? So in job.properties, it is okay 8020, but while we are using it in Cloudera, we cannot use the local host here. So we have to use, let me show you, quickstart.cloudera there. So HDFS here, type quickstart.cloudera. I have given this thing name node equals to quickstart.cloudera and 8020. And one more thing to remember, in job tracker localhost, this port number 8021, this shouldn't be 8021, this should be 8032. This should be 8032. Okay, so continue without saying wait. I will just open it again, and I will just copy these two lines and paste them here, paste them here. So for job tracker also, you have to put quickstart.cloudera, and here also quickstart.cloudera instead of localhost. Instead of localhost. Yes, that's the main thing to remember. Instead of localhost, you have to give quickstart.cloudera. So the next step, you have to save this thing. Save. It got saved. Now the next thing, just minimize. Okay, do it. And one more thing, you have to take this folder examples and put it inside your Hadoop ecosystem, HDFS file system. So you have to go through Hadoop fs-plus. So our Hadoop ecosystem, Hadoop is running well. Now in job.properties, they have given you a path, given us a path. In this path, we have to upload the examples folder. So as you can see here, so equals to Let me make the path equal to, as you can see, name node, the name node, this one. So take this one, copy, paste, slash user slash username. Username is Cloudera in Cloudera systems, slash here example root. This one will be your this example folder, and then inside this there will be apps and Java main. So at this location we have to put your this folder. So we can just check this path if it is available in our Hadoop ecosystem or not. So paste this and enter. Just a minute, let me check it, this thing works or not. Instead of doing this, you can do this, and here you can see a user folder. So inside user folder, yes, we have Cloudera. So inside this Cloudera we want to insert our examples. So what we will do, we will do Hadoop fs hyphen put our examples folder. We will take its path, paste examples whole folder into, after space we want to give this path, slash user slash Cloudera, copy, paste, and then enter. If we do this, let me show you. Okay, now if we check user slash Cloudera, and then examples folder is in that path, examples, and inside examples we can see apps, input data, and src, everyone is there. So what we will do, we will just save this thing, we will cut this thing, and now we will go to our Oozie job which we have to perform. Open the terminal, come here. So we are now done with this thing. Put the files, that examples folder, inside the HDFS. Now we have to run this command, copy and paste. So in this command we are running a Oozie job. We are using -oozie to run Oozie job, and this link http localhost 11,000/Oozie, this is a port number for Oozie framework, and we are giving configurations as the path of our job.properties of these examples. Home Cloudera desktop examples folder. In that apps, Java, and then job.properties. This is the configuration file, and -run. If we hit enter here, you can see we got one ID. This is a tracking ID. So we copy this ID and then just edit the above command, previous command, just instead of config put info space and then paste our this ID and hit enter. As you can see, our Oozie job got successfully executed. Okay, succeeded. Okay, succeeded. As you can see, our status is good, and you can also track it on Cloudera manager. Go to Oozie. You can see 11,000 is port number for Oozie. So in active jobs you can't see that job. In done jobs, here it is, our Java main job. Here you can see its total details. Oozie job. So we have successfully performed our Oozie job by using the Cloudera system 5.12 and the examples that came with the Oozie system. So I hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching the video. Hit like, subscribe and comment if you like the video, and thank you for watching.